Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to do niche research on Amazon KDP. Make sure you watch this video till the end so you won't miss out on any important information I am about to share with you right now. My advice is this for anyone who wants to go into Amazon KDP fully. Make sure you focus on only one niche. There's no reward going from one niche to another. The niche you choose is what you should focus on so you can identify your strengths and your weakness, and so you can work on your weakness to become better and improve more on that particular niche you are doing. And furthermore, as time goes on, I will teach you how to do a proper niche research so you can know the niche that is best for you and the niche that suits your strengths and the one you can really do to make money on Amazon KDP. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hit the subscribe button to watch more of my videos. Now, the most important things you need to get before you do your niche title research are Titan's quick views. These are extensions that you need to install on your Chrome or on your web browser. I don't know the web browser you are using. When you want to do your title or your keyword research, install Titan's quick view, DS Amazon quick view, AMZ suggestion expander, seller sprites. So those are the tools you use to do your research on Amazon store, so as to see all the informations and all the keywords and everything you want to know about the titles you are researching on. So these tools are very important. They are the tools I use to make my book title research on Amazon store. And the bonus tool you will need, that's if you have money to spend, you can use BookBeam, Kindle Ranker, Publisher Rocket, and the likes. That's if you have money. But if you don't have money, install these tools on your web browser so you can use it to do your research on Amazon store. So as we continue, I will show you how to research your niche on BookBeam or on Kindle Ranker. It is very, very important to do book research. There are tools you can use to do book research. You can use Publisher Rocket or BookBeam or Kindle Ranker, and you can also use Amazon store to do your book research. There are extensions in which you need to download before you do your book research. So if you want to use Amazon Kindle store, you have to go to your web browser to do your book research. Search for Amazon Kindle non-fiction bestsellers. Type it Amazon Kindle non-fiction bestsellers. So once you type it there, you will click on search, and it will take you to Amazon Kindle store where you can do your book research. So you will search Amazon Kindle non-fiction bestsellers on your browser. Once you search Amazon Kindle non-fiction bestsellers, it will bring you to Amazon Kindle store. So you will see your Amazon homepage, and you see all the books related to what you want to do on Amazon store. So these are the books you want to do research on, like travel guides. You will see their bestseller rank, also the fictions, non-fiction, self-help, and others. So you will see everything in your homepage. Then the next place you want to go to is your categories. You will click on your categories, so you can see other niche on your categories, things you can do. So under your categories, you see various niche like self-help. You see non-fiction book. You see fiction book. You see cookbook. You see health. You see many of them on that category. So it's left for you to choose each of them in which you want to do. Anyone you want to do, you can select them one by one to see the one that really suits your ability. So to see the one you can focus on and do for the long run. So in this case, I do self-help. So I will have to click on self-help. So let's check our research on self-help. For example, just to see how to carry out our research. So under self-help, these are books that you will see under self-help, and you will see their bestseller rank and their rank on the titles and everything. You can even check for more books. Just swipe by right, and you will see all the books published under self-help, and you can see the one you want to model among them, just so your book can rank higher. There's anyone can play music. There's memories of afterlife. So let's make research of memories of afterlife to see if it is something we can work on as our title. So when you are doing your book research, that's your niche, your book research, these are what you have to do in order to see if that niche is something you can do or not. So Memories of Afterlife. Click it and search for it. It will give you other books that has been published on that title, and the authors also that has been published on the title. Then once you search for it, you will see all the books that have been published under that title. And there is what we call a page rank. That you can see all the books published under that title, and the page number, that's the number of titles published under that page, is just 167. So just 167 books published under that title, which is a very good result, because your book titles, that's the search, your book search title must not be more than 1,000. If it is more than 1,000, there's no way customer can easily find your book when they search for that title. So it will be very, very easy for them to find your book with lower number of titles, like 160 something, 200, 300. That way your book will easily be seen and you can easily make sales. Because when your book is appearing on the first page, customer will stress themselves searching for your book. They will easily click on buy and you have made sales. So the next thing you want to look at is the best seller rank. The best seller rank is another major factor when doing your book research, or when doing a niche research in which you want to go into. You have to make sure that the competition is very low, and you have to make sure there are not many books published under that niche or under that title. So doing this will give you the ability to go into that niche you want to do. You can see your bestseller rank. It is very, very low, just 800 and something thousand. And you can see your low, it's just 1,000. So this, your niche score, just 50. It's not lower than 52. So this is an example that this is a very profitable book title to model. So I just showed you how to make your niche research before going into any niche. That's how to do your title research and how to check for the important things when doing your niche research. And now, when doing niche research, you have to check out for these things so as to take note of each of them and to know if that's something you want to do in the long run. Now, what to check out for are the categories, bestseller rank and search results, titles and subtitles used in the books, prices, book covers, descriptions, manuscript, A+ content, and your reviews. Now, when it comes to categories, you saw where I showed you how to get your categories. That's when you click on the categories, you will see the list of niche in which you can go into, in which you can choose. So you have to choose just only one niche. You don't just jump from niche to niche. You have to be consistent on one niche. Let your buyers know you for that niche. Let them see how good you are in that niche, so they can gain the trust when they want to buy your book. So anytime they need a book in pertaining to that niche, so they can come to you, so they can search your name, come to you and buy from you. That's why it is good to always have only one niche, to always focus on just one niche. Then another thing we also want to talk about is the bestseller rank and the search result. I showed you how to get your bestseller rank and where you can see your search results. So your search results are the total numbers of books published on that title. So when doing your niche research, you check each of their titles so as to see if they are competitive and to see if they are less competitive. The niche you want to go into is niche that doesn't have enough competition. So your title search page should be below 1,000. Anything above 1,000, it will be too competitive. Your bestseller should be between 200,000 to 800,000, or even lesser, for more visibility and for your book to rank well and sell well. So those are the qualities you need to look at when choosing a niche before you go into. So when you check Amazon store, you will see titles and subtitles that are already published in their store. So those best-selling titles and subtitles, look at them, see how they wrote their title and see how their subtitles looks like. Don't just go to ChatGPT and generate any other title and subtitle. These guys took their time to compose the best title and subtitle that will match the book content they are doing, and that's why their book was able to rank higher and beat their competitors to a bestseller rank. Book prices also influence your decision when choosing a niche. When choosing a niche, you have to look at the book prices of each bestseller books. Study how much they price their book. see the amount, the price their ebook, their paperback, and their hardcover. Because book prices matters a lot when doing your book research. If you price your book higher than the quality, customer might not buy. But if you price your book at the range that's what your book quality, then you can easily make sales that way. And also, book covers also influence how we sell on Amazon. Book cover is another thing you need to look at when doing your niche research. Look at the book cover of the best sellers on that niche. See how their book cover was designed. Look at the color, the font, the images they use, the typeface, and look at the way they blend everything together that makes it come out uniquely from other books. So do your book that way in order to make sales and in order to beat your competitors. Such thing will give you an edge on Amazon KDP in the long run. That thing you want to look at is your book description. So look at how they wrote their book description, because the book description is what determines if customer will buy or not. What you tell customer is what determines their buying habits. If you list out all the informations, all the important things they want to know, if you list them out in the book description, there is an high probability that they will buy. So those are the things you need to look at, and you need to do those things when doing your own book also. So you look at how the bestseller books wrote their description and what they include, the keywords and everything. Then another thing you need to look at is your manuscripts. The bestseller manuscripts is very important when working on your book niche or when looking for a niche. The manuscripts, when you go to Amazon store, you will click on look inside. Like once you click look inside, it will direct you to the book, and then you can see how the book is being structured. You can see how they format the book. You can see the kind of content that was written in the book. You can just read like the introduction, just to have an idea of what is inside the book, and so you can have an idea of what you will also create when you want to do your own book. Another thing you should look at is the A plus content. See what the book is all about. See what the A plus content carries, the structure, the designs, and the information is passing. Also, your reviews. See what customers are saying about the book, either good or bad. Read the good aspect of it. See how they love the book. See what they say about the book. See what they recommend in the book, and also read the bad side of the review. See the weakness of the book. That's what customers are not getting from the book. See what customers are saying the book needs to have in order to be perfect. So read all those reviews so you can work on that author's weakness. So when doing your own book, you can cover up all those things the customer mentioned in the review, and so you can beat the competitors to it. That's the perfect way you do your niche research. Do your niche research and you have no issue with making sales. I can assure you that if you do all these things I just mentioned, you will make a lot of sales and you will beat your competitors to bestseller rank. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more or if you want to watch more, kindly click on the link below to join my community on Telegram. You will see a Telegram link. Click on it and join my community. Thank you for watching. Kindly click on the subscribe button to watch my upcoming videos that are yet to drop. God bless you as you do so.